Test flights are performed by qualified pilots to assess the aircraft's flight characteristics, system functionality, and overall performance. Detailed inspection of the engine, APUs, and other major components are conducted to assess their conditions, remaining life, and potential need for overhauls or replacements. The avionics systems, electrical systems, hydraulic systems, and other onboard systems are tested to ensure they are functioning correctly and meeting industry standards. A structural inspection involves assessing the airframe for any sign of structural fatigue, corrosion, or damage that could compromise the aircraft's safety and longevity.